Royall, it's time for you to go to school, you know. You depend on the PlayStation.
Man, I can't school around always.
Me and your grandmother, you know, boy, and make me box you up on your head, you know. Right, because it means you never cock it up. And your grandfather, your mother couldn't come round and turn round and have a little brat like I do. What do you mean, Anne? It's time for you to go to school? No.
I could go to school around, okay?
No, your mother gonna work. No, give me no hard time. You know what? Because you trippy. You think because you're big, so you can do what you want to Granny Sammie? You really think so, boy? Let me not deal with you this morning, yeah. No, make me thump you, boy. No, make me thump you.
Okay.
Y'all come now?
Probably.
Probably. Alright, let me get the bell. Old school. I'm gonna tear up that big behind of yours. Come on, let's go. Alright, we got this. I got this. We can't find the belt, so the hanger y'all go get. Bend over. Bend over, boy. Jesus, me so constipated. The whole pity hurry up and pick up the phone. Jesus Christ. Oh, I want me yum somewhere we can't even shit in a piece, man. Your mother, we up on the toilet, man. Me say me constipated like cacafa. Me I tell you. You know your daughter will come in and want to stress you because you're on the crisis line. But right now your mama have crisis with your little brat of a son, my Grand Whitney.
What Royall to know? I'm busy, man. He's misbehaving. Oh my God.
He no one go to school, my sister. No one get him education. That's what this family, Papa Jesus, deliver me today. One time generation of vipers. Jesus will cry and pity this morning. You think me could talk to my grandmother, son? If you hear all your little boofy dear son talk to me, amazing grandmother. May I tell you, you're gonna have to cut the crisis line right now because your mama in a serious crisis because if you are telling me to pick it up in the next 30 minutes, you're gonna see me on Channel 9 News. Grandmother bust up grandson, almost half kill him dead. That you mean?
Mom, I can't leave work right now. I can't leave. What do you mean? Don't kill him. Don't.
Come get him, man, out of the house. We can't take this at all. Excuse the wind. We must rock wind, man. Not funny at all. We must rock wind because he must stress the wind out of me. Lord God, excuse the gas. Listen, me gas up last night. But me, I tell you, me constipated and me say me just a broke wind left, right, and center to the north, south, and east, my child.
How are you feeling otherwise? I know you've been constipated. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try and get Storm and see if she can go to the Publix and get you something so you can just shit it all out. Oh, Mum. Alright, I'm on my way. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose money now.
Alright, we talk to you. 30 minutes. That's it, I'll go ahead and pick me. Right.
Freaking boy, I tell you, I am gonna tear his ass. Just wait. God, let me get ready.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. No, the world so come to an end. And he pushed that out. Because the toilet.
Storm, Pinky,
what's up? What's going on?
I've got a crisis going on, mate. Yeah. You're on your way over to Mum's? Oh, thank God for Jesus. Listen, he won't go to school. No, I don't know what's wrong with him. Yeah, could you pass by and make sure that he goes to school or drop him off or something? Yeah, appreciate it.
You gotta leave the crisis line. No, you don't. I'm pulling up to the house now. Yeah, my spirit said let me check up on her because, you know, she's been constipated for about a week now.
Because Mum is in a right tiddly fits right now. All right, thanks. Oh, God. I really don't want to leave work. I'm going to lose money. Okay, you'll do it for me? Oh, thanks. All right. Later. I owe you one.
All right. Stay at work. I'll keep you posted. All right. Pinky. Problem solved. Me get him to go to school. Yeah, just a little I was very tactful. What did I do? All me do is put him in the room with Mama and tell her let it rip. Let it fart up the place. You want to see how he run out the door and go to school? Yeah, no problem. Anytime you have any problem with Royall, just call me. All right, me talk to you later. All right. These are kids, yeah.